All right, guys, well, welcome back to part 2 of 11.8. So, find the volume of the composite solid. So, in this one, we need to find the volume of this cylinder minus the volume of half of a sphere, of a hemisphere. All right, so the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is area of the base times the height. Pi r squared times the height of 2 minus 1/2 of the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So in my calculator, 2 cubed is 8 times 4 equals, divided by 3 equals, times pi equals. All right, so I have that number. I'm going to store it in 1. Now I have 4 times 2 times pi equals, minus recall 1 equals, and I got a negative number, which makes no sense whatsoever. So let's try this again. 4 divided by 3 times 8 times pi equals, divided by 2 equals, store 1. 4 times 2 times pi equals, minus recall 1 equals, and I got 8.38. And this is in inches cubed because it's volume, 8.38 inches cubed. The radius of a sphere is 5 yards. So we have a sphere, and our radius is 5 yards. And we want to know the volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed. So that r is 5. 5 cubed is 125 times 4, divided by 3 is 166.6 repeating times pi, and we're going to get 523.60, and this is in yards. Volume is always cubed. 523.6 yards cubed. A solid consists of a hemisphere of radius 1 meter on top of a cone. Okay, so we have a cone with a hemisphere on top of it. So basically it's ice cream. All right, so it says that it has the same radius and it has a height of 5. So the solid consists of a hemisphere with a radius of 1 on top of a cone with the same radius and a height of 5. Find the volume of the solid. Round to your answer to 2 decimal places. So I want you guys to try this one on your own, and then we'll go over it. All right, so your height of your cone is 5. So the volume of the cone is 1/3 the area of the base, pi r squared, times the height. The volume up here is 4/3 pi r cubed. 1 cubed is 1. 1 times 4/3 is 4/3. So we're going to have 4/3 pi up top plus, down here we have our radius is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So 5/3 pi. 4/3 plus 5/3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/3 pi, which is 9 divided by 3 is 3 pi, and 3 pi is 9.42, and this one is in meters, volume is cubed, 9.42 meters cubed. And that is everything for today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed the lesson on 11.8, surface area and volume of spheres. Have a great day.